We said before, mass is the amount of matter in an object. Okay? Mass is the amount of matter in an object. And we use what? Balance or pen balance to measure the mass of an object, and we use gram or kilogram as units of mass. Okay. Now what is volume? Volume means the amount of space in an object. For example, if you have a barrel and this barrel includes liquid, okay? So the amount of space inside this barrel gives the volume of this barrel. For example, this equals 600 milliliter. So the volume of this barrel is 600 milliliter, means the amount of space, the amount of space in an object, or an object takes up, or in an object. The amount of matter means mass, and the amount of space means volume. The amount of matter, we call it mass, and the amount of space, we call it volume. Okay? Here, how to find or to measure volume? To measure mass, easy, by using balance, and we use gram or kilogram as units of mass. Okay? Now how to find the volume? To find the volume, here we have two different cases. If we have regular shape, or irregular shape. How to find the volume of solids here? Of liquids, easy. We know of liquids by using measuring cup, or graduated cylinder. To find the volume of liquids, easy. So to find the volume, to measure the mass of an object, we use balance or pen balance, and we use gram and kilogram as units of mass. Volume, we use measuring cup or graduated cylinder to find the volume of liquids. The volume of liquids, we use measuring cup. Okay? Then, to find the volume of solids, we have two different cases. If we have regular shape like a cube, for example, if we have cube, and we know cube has three directions. For example, if the cube 3, 3, 3. So the volume directly by using mathematical formulas, length times width times height equals 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. Okay, so if we have regular shape, only by using mathematical formulas, length multiplied by width multiplied by height. For example, if we have another cube, or prism or anything else, we have, but only in your book, only if you are given cube or this shape. For example, prism, okay, 4 or 5 and 4 and 3. Okay, to find the volume, only multiplication. 5 times 4 times 3 equals 20 times 3 equals 60. So we said volume is the amount of space, mass, the amount of matter, the amount of space in an object, we call it volume. We use what to measure volume? We use measuring cup to find the volume of liquids. To find the volume of solids, if we have regular shape, only multiplication, length times width times height. Now if we have irregular shape like this, if we have a stone like this. How to find the volume of this? To find the volume of a regular shape, listen carefully now. To find the volume of an irregular shape, we have to use measuring cup. How to use measuring cup to find the volume of an irregular shape? Okay, easy. Put inside this cup liquid, for example water, and see the volume of this liquid. For example, 400 milliliter. You put 400 milliliter of water. Then put this object inside the measuring cup. What will happen? The level of water will rise, for example till here, and this 500 milliliter. So the volume of this stone, the difference between two levels, 500 minus 400 equals 100 milliliter. So the two cases to find the volume of solid objects, if we have regular shape and if we have irregular shape. If we have regular shape, volume only, you have to multiply only length by width by height. If we have an irregular shape, by using measuring cup, then you'll put liquid inside it, then you'll throw this an irregular shape inside it. The difference between two levels will give you the volume of this object. Have a nice day and see you next video.